Have you ever stared at your phone at 3 in the morning wondering if you should throw your savings into Bitcoin? You're not alone, and the timing question is keeping millions of people awake at night. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to tell you about crypto timing. Every expert who claims they can predict the perfect moment to buy is basically reading tea leaves. The market has humbled everyone from Wall Street veterans to your cousin who made a fortune on Dogecoin. But here's what we can actually analyze. Right now, we're seeing some fascinating patterns that might help you make a smarter decision. The fear and greed index is bouncing around like a pinball machine. Institutional adoption is quietly growing, and regulatory clarity is slowly emerging. Let me break down the key factors you should consider. First, your personal financial situation trumps everything else. If buying crypto means you can't pay rent or handle an emergency, wait. Period. Crypto should never be more than you can afford to lose completely. Second, look at the current market cycle. We're in a phase where traditional investors are treating crypto more seriously than ever before. ETFs are gaining approval. Major corporations are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets, and countries are creating frameworks for digital assets. The counter-argument is equally compelling. Crypto remains incredibly volatile. Regulatory crackdowns could happen overnight, and we might see another major correction that wipes out recent gains. The technology is still evolving, and many projects will likely fail. Here's my framework for making this decision. Instead of asking when to buy, ask yourself why you want to buy. Are you investing in technology you believe will reshape finance? Or are you chasing quick profits because your friend doubled their money? If you're convinced crypto belongs in your portfolio, consider dollar cost averaging instead of trying to time the market. Buy small amounts regularly over months rather than making one large purchase. This smooths out the volatility and removes the pressure of perfect timing. For those waiting for a crash, remember that waiting for the perfect moment often means missing opportunities entirely. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is today. Consider your timeline too. If you need this money within the next 2 years, crypto probably isn't the right choice regardless of timing. But if you're thinking decades ahead, short-term price movements become less relevant. The reality is that nobody knows what crypto will do tomorrow, next month, or next year. What we do know is that the technology continues advancing, adoption keeps growing, and the financial world is paying attention. My advice? Stop trying to time the market perfectly. Focus on understanding what you're buying, invest only what you can afford to lose, and think long-term. Whether you buy now or wait 6 months probably matters less than having a solid strategy and sticking to it. The best investment timing is when you're financially prepared and emotionally ready for the ride. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple strategies to grow your digital wealth. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.